Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only. Always follow your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations and use caution when working on your vehicle. Perform this at your own risk. Safety comes first. Thinking about doing your own oil change but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll show you how any average car owner can easily change their engine oil at home using the right tools, and save money doing it. The upfront cost of these tools pays for itself after just one oil change compared to what a dealer would charge. Let's start with what you need. These are the exact tools I use, and you can find the Amazon affiliate links in the video description. Original Fumoto F108N with LC10 lever clip, easy oil draining without mess. NEIKO 2-gallon anti-splash oil drain pan. 3/8-inch vinyl tubing, for spill-free oil draining. Mobil 10W20 full synthetic motor oil, what I always trust. BOSCH 3974 premium oil filter. FloTool RhinoRamp, perfect for home garage maintenance. Hopkins FloTool will Chocks, safety first. Here's what to know before you begin. 1. Buy high-quality engine oil that meets the specification in your car's owner's manual. I always go with Mobil 1. 2. Choose a high-quality oil filter that fits your car. Amazon Garage can help check compatibility. 3. Replace the standard oil drain bolt with a Fumoto valve for easy future oil changes. I already have mine installed. A video on how to install it is linked in the description. 4. Use a vinyl hose with the Fumoto valve to minimize spills. 5. Get a large oil drain pan that makes it easy to pour used oil into bottles for disposal. 6. An oil filter wrench is optional. I remove the old filter by hand and install the new one hand tight. 7. Use car ramps or jack stands. I prefer ramps, they're quick and easy. Choose one rated at least double your vehicle's weight. 8. Always use wheel chocks to prevent any movement while you're under the car. Now let's walk through the steps. Step 1. With the car on ramps, apply the parking brake, turn off the engine, and place wheel chocks securely behind the rear wheels. Then, pop the hood and remove the oil cap. Step 2. Attach the vinyl hose to the Fumoto valve and drain the old oil into the pan. Step 3. While the oil is draining, we'll take care of other tasks. Step 4. Loosen the old oil filter slightly to let it drain, but don't remove it completely yet. Step 5. Pre-wet the new oil filter by pouring a bit of fresh oil into it and letting it soak. Step 6. Once the oil has fully drained, disconnect the hose and close the Fumoto valve. Step 7. Pour the excess oil from the new filter into the engine. Step 8. Apply a thin layer of oil around the rubber gasket of the new filter. Screw it in until it touches the engine surface, then tighten it 3/4 to 1 full turn by hand. Step 9. Fill in the new engine oil. Step 10. Replace and tighten the oil cap. Step 11. Start the engine and check for leaks around the filter. That's it, you just did your own oil change. It's clean, easy, and saves you a trip to the shop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the video description for all the tools I used.